All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2013 Chevy Caprice 6.0 liter engine with the 6L80E 6-speed transmission, folks. This vehicle here is a rocket. Yes, she's a hot rod, folks. Let me tell you, she pushes. No joke. For those of you guys that are familiar with this particular unit here, with the 6.0 liter engine, you guys know what you guys are looking for. Original factory Hugo Blue, if I'm not mistaken. Vehicle does have tiny little scratches that are very, very small. I'm losing my train of thought here. Not very noticeable, not unless you get up close and personal. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Vehicle has no rust, and she is, once again, in immaculate running condition and shape. Original Hugo Blue from factory. Vehicle does have one LED working spotlight. I do have window tint from the department that appears to be like a medium shade, so you can see right through. Not too dark, not too light. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning this vehicle up. Folks, before I forget, let me back up here. On the rear wheel wells, you're gonna have some little scratches. They're right here. You can see them right here, folks. All right, they're little tiny scratches. Once again, you're gonna find those on the rear wheel well, okay? Vehicle does have 5 holes. 4 of those holes are covered with the plastic factory rubber plugs. You guys can see that right here. I didn't want to do an overkill with the antennas, so I went ahead and just put one here in the trunk lid, right on the center. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. All right, once again, they do have the rubber plugs. This is also going to be a FLEXFUEL vehicle. Once again, FLEXFUEL vehicle. Vehicle does have about maybe 2 door dings. This is one right here. A little ding right there, folks. Once again, I'm not telling you that the car is 110% perfect. She hasn't been repainted. Once again, this is the original paint of the vehicle. You can see the scratches right there. My detail crew couldn't take those out. So once again, I didn't lose sleep over that. It kind of hides in the eye, so I left those alone, guys, okay? So for that, I do apologize. Let me backtrack here. One secondary door ding right here, folks. Once again, I'm trying to tell you everything I see through the lens here so that you guys can keep up with me and you guys know what you guys are looking at, okay? Once again, folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, folks. Everything that she needed, I already went through that, and I will go ahead and cover that with you in the next couple minutes. I do have nice and clear lenses on the front. I do have a paint peel here, guys, right underneath the grill. I ordered the touch-up paint at the dealership. I should be here, I think, Monday or Tuesday, so I can go ahead and cover that up for you. Great looking car, folks. Very rare in the color. Very, very rare. Let me show you the holes on the roof. 1, 2 right there, folks. They are black rubber plugs, so they do blend in, but it is my job to let you know that they are there. There is no air or water leaked into the cabin or the trunk. They're sealed tight. Let's go inside real quick. I do have a nice rear seat. All seatbelts and buckles are in place, folks. This vehicle is complete. Plastic rubber floors. Plastic rubber floors. This particular unit here does have the electric seating on the front and manual. So yes, electric seating on the front and manual. I've got lucky to find this Caprice here with the full center console. That is the police center console that the department actually used. So thankfully they did not remove it, so I'm leaving that in the vehicle. Buyer takes all. Okay, buyer takes all. Vehicle did come with 3 factory keys. 3 factory keys. They do work. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Vehicle does have a 100. Let me see if I can. 146,000 miles. We're going to 147. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights are off. You only see the seatbelt blinking and the door icon right here, okay, on the left. Pressure lights off. Once again, all mechanical repairs have been done. All PM services have been done. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. Driver's side seat is in nice shape as well. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job staying on top of it, let me tell you. It's got the screen there. You can control the screen through the buttons here in the steering wheel. It is a touch screen, so you have everything you need right there. Trunk release here. Sports mode, traction control off. Sheet turns into a whole different beast when you have those 2 little buttons enabled, let me tell you. So there you go. Stereo does work. All right, stereo does work. Sorry guys, let me clean this up. I haven't done in a video in a minute that I'm losing track of what I used to do. LED does work. Honk does work. I hope I'm not forgetting anything, guys. If I do, please feel free to call me or email me. All right, let's go to the trunk and then we're gonna go under the hood. The clock is ticking, so I have to step it up here. All right. And this is the trunk. You do have the steel aluminum tray table that slides right out this way so you can put your equipment on there. Once again, the department left that alone. I'm leaving that alone to whoever buys the vehicle. This is the trunk. You do have a dry belt here, accessory belts here by AC Delco. This was a plastic cover that came from the department. This came from the department. Vehicle does have a brand new battery. Brand new battery in this vehicle, and I do have a full-size spare tire kit in the trunk, so the vehicle is complete, folks. Once again, buyer takes all. Okay, trying to get this done in within hopefully 10 or 11 minutes. The paint looks great, folks. It does have little scratches here and there, but once again, they're not noticeable. Some paint chips, but once again, vehicle, it is what it is. She is perfect in her own way. Little scratches, little chips will not hurt me. Bam! Look at this beautiful 6.0 liter engine, guys. You guys want speed? I got it right here for you. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up, top to bottom, inside out, and here she is. These are the results, folks. GM plate, factory plate. All right, let's get to it. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new AC Delco air filter, brand new AC Delco Iridium spark plugs, 8 new AC Delco spark plug wires. I do have a brand new AC Delco cabin air filter that was installed. That's where it goes right there. I do have full synthetic 530 oil service with Dexos. I did have that transmission service as well by AC Delco fluid and filter. I can't use anything else on this particular unit. All right, so make sure you use as much as you can on the AC Delco products so you can stay free and out of trouble. So yes, fully serviced. Air conditioner was also serviced, so it's nice and super cold as it should be now. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you that all brakes, front and rear brakes, are new all around, and I did go with the Posse Quiets. So that's what I decided to go on this particular unit. I don't want no dust, I don't want no noise, so I paid a little bit more to give you the better quality pad. Okay, dry belts are in good shape, so I didn't have to replace them. However, if you want to replace them yourself, you have them on the trunk. Wiper blades are good. Windshield washer, coolant was topped off, brake fluid was topped off. Folks, rear differential was checked. It was nice and clean, nice and gold. The fluid was nice and gold and full, so we didn't have to do anything to that department. Go ahead and, all right, here she is, folks. One last final look at this beautiful 2013 Chevy Caprice PPV. I hope I'm not forgetting anything, guys. I do apologize in advance for the because I've been MIA, and that's because the car market has gone upside down and prices are not making any business sense whatsoever. So I'm literally cherry picking what I'm bringing in, and if whatever I do bring in, folks, let me tell you, I'm paying top dollar for it. Okay, as you guys notice, I'm not bringing a lot of Crown Victorias right now, but I'm bringing other cars that, you know, probably are gonna have better results. Okay, once again, I do apologize. Prices have been very crazy right now. They're not making any sense. I'm still in the fight. I'm still have some cars here that I'm working on, but because of my job, I'm also falling behind here and there, so I'm trying to catch up. All right, folks, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here with you. All right, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to stay with me for these 12 minutes. And guys, if you have any questions or you are interested in buying this beast, this hot rod, please feel free to give me a call, text me, email me, and we can talk about it. Thank you, God bless, and you have yourself a great weekend.